Welcome to Physics World. Today we will see about a scientific programming language called MATLAB. MATLAB is a programming language used mostly by physicists and engineers to visualize the data, mostly by plotting. It performs many other operations and it has very many other applications in the field of science. Today we will start off with basics. Shown here is the MATLAB window. This is how MATLAB looks, and this is the command window where you enter the command, and this is current folder which shows which folder we are in. We'll start doing with basic arithmetic operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we'll assign the value a equal to 10 and b equal to 2. Now performing addition is simple. A plus b gives the addition value and a minus b gives the subtraction. A into b is the multiplication of the vectors, and a by b gives the division. For example, we can take any other more complex value also. Now we will clear the screen. Function clear will clear the workspace, and CLC will clear the command window. Now we will come to a most important part called plotting. Today we will see just basic about line plot, a simple line plot. For example, if you have two set of data, for example a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and b equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To visualize, to plot this data, we use a function called plot a comma b. A, say, and b, so plot a comma b. It will give the line graph of this line graph you get. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we will label what is x-axis and what is y. For that, x label is the function to call right x-axis. For example, if this is speed versus time graph, x label is speed and y label is time. Now you can see that the x-axis and y-axis is changed. The name of value is given. Now we'll give the title. Speed versus time. Now look at the graph. We can view the title of the graph is given. This is the code to get the title, speed, x label, y label. In next class we will see about more about matrices, how to perform matrix operations, matrix multiplication and inverse of the matrix. Thank you.